Hello teacher. Are you in need of a simple and efficient way to track student attendance or assessments? Try the checkbox feature on Google Sheets. Step 1. Open the sheet you want to work on. Step 2. Select all the columns and rows where you want to add a checkbox. Step 3. Click on the Insert tab and select the checkbox. Step 4. Now you can easily tick the checkbox and track the records. Additionally, teachers can also use the checkbox feature to create to-do lists and track student progress, making it easier to manage their workload and keep their students on track. For more such tech tips from Innerscore that can help teachers like yourself learn new skills, save time, and navigate the digital world, subscribe to our YouTube channel.